Ottoman cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors. Imagine a cuisine that is both delicate and bold. It's a world where spices dance with herbs and where sweet meets savory in perfect harmony. This is the essence of Ottoman cuisine. Every bite tells a story, a tale woven from centuries of history and cultural exchange. Ottoman cuisine is often misunderstood. People reduce it to just kebabs and baklava. But this perception barely scratches the surface of this rich culinary heritage. To truly understand Ottoman cuisine, one must delve deeper. We must explore its nuances and appreciate the complex interplay of flavors that make it so unique. Ottoman cuisine is a journey for the senses. It's an adventure that will leave you craving for more. While kebabs and baklava are undeniably delicious staples of Ottoman cuisine, they represent just a small fraction of what this diverse culinary tradition has to offer. To limit Ottoman cuisine to these dishes would be like describing a rainbow as merely a collection of colors. The Ottoman Empire, spanning centuries and continents, was a melting pot of cultures. This fusion is beautifully reflected in its cuisine. It's a cuisine that goes far beyond the familiar. It beckons food enthusiasts to discover its hidden treasures. From the aromatic pilafs to the delicate pastries, there is a world of flavor waiting to be explored. So, let's embark on a culinary journey to uncover the hidden gems of Ottoman cuisine. The Ottoman Empire was a vast and powerful realm. It stretched across continents, from the heart of Europe to the deserts of Arabia, and from the shores of North Africa to the mountains of the Caucasus. This immense geographical reach meant that the empire was a melting pot of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. Encompassing a multitude of cultures and culinary traditions, the Ottoman Empire was a true confluence of civilizations. Each region brought its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques, contributing to a rich and varied culinary landscape. This rich tapestry of influences is what makes Ottoman cuisine so unique. The fusion of different culinary traditions resulted in a cuisine that is both diverse and harmonious, with each dish telling a story of its origins and the journey it took to become part of the Ottoman culinary repertoire. From the Middle East, Ottoman cuisine inherited its love for aromatic spices, like cumin, sumac, and cinnamon. These spices were not just used for their flavor, but also for their medicinal properties, adding both taste and health benefits to the dishes. These spices infuse dishes with warmth and depth, creating layers of flavor that are both complex and comforting. The careful balance of spices is a hallmark of Ottoman cooking, showcasing the skill and artistry of its chefs. The Mediterranean influence is evident in the abundance of fresh vegetables, olive oil, and seafood. The use of these ingredients reflects the region's emphasis on healthy, wholesome food that is both delicious and nutritious. Think of dishes like yaprak dolmasi, vine leaves stuffed with rice and herbs, a testament to the region's love for fresh, vibrant flavors. This dish, with its delicate balance of herbs and spices, is a perfect example of the Mediterranean influence on Ottoman cuisine. Central Asian influences are apparent in dishes like manti, tiny dumplings filled with spiced meat and topped with yogurt. These dumplings, with their rich, savory filling and tangy yogurt topping, highlight the Central Asian contribution to the Ottoman culinary tradition. These influences melded and mingled, creating a cuisine that is both familiar and exotic, comforting and exciting. The result is a culinary tradition that is a true reflection of the diverse and dynamic history of the Ottoman Empire, a testament to the power of cultural exchange and the enduring legacy of this remarkable civilization. Beyond the familiar kebabs and baklava lies a treasure trove of lesser-known Ottoman dishes. These dishes, often passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the heart of Ottoman culinary traditions. Take, for instance, the humble pilaf. Often relegated to a side dish, pilaf in Ottoman cuisine is elevated to an art form. From the simple yet flavorful sade pilaf to the elaborate perdi pilavi, a rice pilaf encased in a delicate pastry crust, each variety boasts unique flavors and textures. Then there are the mezes, small dishes meant for sharing. These are not mere appetizers, but rather an integral part of the Ottoman dining experience. Section 5. The Art of Meze, a Culinary Symphony. Imagine a table laden with an array of colorful dishes. Each dish, a burst of vibrant hues, invites you to explore its unique taste and texture. Each one is a small masterpiece, meticulously crafted to delight both the eyes and the palate. The artistry in the presentation is as important as the flavors themselves. This is the essence of Meze, a cornerstone of Ottoman dining culture. It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations, embodying the spirit of communal dining and shared experiences. Meze is not just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about gathering with friends and family, sharing stories and creating memories over a table full of delightful bites. A Meze platter is a culinary symphony, a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Each dish complements the others, creating a balanced and satisfying dining experience. There are creamy dips like hummus made with chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice. This smooth and rich dip is often garnished with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika. Kachik, a refreshing yogurt and cucumber dip flavored with dill and garlic, offers a cool contrast. It's the perfect palate cleanser between richer, more robust dishes. Then there are the stuffed vegetables like the aforementioned yaprak dolmasi or the delicate zucchini blossoms filled with rice and herbs. These dishes are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of Ottoman cuisine. Each Meze dish is a small bite of flavor, designed to tantalize the taste buds and prepare the palate for the culinary journey ahead. It's a celebration of taste, texture, and tradition, inviting you to savor each moment. Section 6, A Sweet Symphony, Baklava and Beyond. No exploration of Ottoman cuisine would be complete without a taste of its legendary sweets. These desserts are not just food, they are a cultural experience, a journey through time that takes you back to the opulent courts of the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman desserts are renowned for their delicate textures, intricate designs, and intoxicating aromas. Each dessert tells a story, a tale of craftsmanship passed down through generations, perfected over centuries. They are a testament to the empire's love for indulgence. The lavish use of ingredients like nuts, honey, and rosewater reflects the richness of Ottoman culture and its penchant for luxury. Baklava, perhaps the most iconic Ottoman dessert, is a symphony of textures and flavors. This dessert is a masterpiece, a harmonious blend of crispy, flaky layers and a sweet, nutty filling. Layers of paper-thin phyllo pastry are filled with chopped nuts, sweetened with syrup or honey, and baked to golden perfection. The process is meticulous, requiring skill and patience to achieve the perfect balance. Each bite is a delightful crunch, followed by an explosion of sweetness. The combination of textures and flavors creates a sensory experience that is truly unforgettable. But the world of Ottoman sweets extends far beyond baklava. The variety is astounding, each dessert offering a unique taste and texture, a new experience for the palate. There are milk-based puddings like muhallebi, subtly flavored with rosewater or mastic. These puddings are smooth and creamy, offering a delicate sweetness that is both comforting and refreshing. Gulak, a delicate dessert made with layers of thin pastry sheets soaked in milk and rosewater, is a Ramadan favorite. Its light and airy texture makes it a perfect end to a meal, especially during the holy month of fasting. Section 7, Kunefe, a celebration of sweetness and crunch. Among the many exquisite desserts of Ottoman cuisine, kunefe holds a special place. This unique dessert is a celebration of textures and flavors, a testament to the Ottoman Empire's culinary ingenuity. Imagine this, a bed of shredded pastry, called kadayif, toasted to a golden brown. This crispy base is layered with a sweet, gooey cheese filling, and then baked until the cheese melts, and the pastry becomes irresistibly crunchy. Finally, it's drenched in a fragrant syrup, often flavored with rosewater or lemon. Kunefe is best enjoyed warm, the contrasting textures of crispy pastry and molten cheese, creating a symphony of sensations in every mouthful. It's a dessert that embodies the essence of Ottoman cuisine, rich, indulgent, and utterly unforgettable. Section 8, A Culinary Legacy, reflecting history and culture. Ottoman cuisine is more than just a collection of delicious dishes. It's a reflection of a rich history and a diverse culture. Each dish tells a story, whispering tales of ancient trade routes, cultural exchanges, and culinary innovations. The communal aspect of Ottoman dining, particularly the tradition of Meze, speaks volumes about the culture's emphasis on hospitality and sharing. Food is not merely sustenance, it is a way of life, a means of bringing people together and strengthening bonds. Ottoman cuisine is a living legacy, passed down through generations, preserving traditions and memories. It is a cuisine that deserves to be explored, appreciated, and shared. Section 9, A Culinary Adventure Awaits. The world of Ottoman cuisine is vast and varied, offering something to entice every palate. From the savory delights of meze platters to the sweet temptations of baklava and kunefe, there's a culinary adventure waiting to be had. So why not embark on your own culinary exploration? Seek out Ottoman restaurants, browse through cookbooks, and don't be afraid to experiment in your own kitchen. Recreate the flavors of the Ottoman Empire in your own home. Discover the joy of sharing a Meze platter with loved ones. Revel in the sweetness of baklava. Let the flavors of Ottoman cuisine transport you to a world of history, culture, and culinary delights. The journey awaits.